Hi and welcome to this edition of Out the Box. My name is Paul. Today we're going to have a look at what is in this box. This is a TP-Link Armada product. This is an outdoor access point. This is the EAP650-Outdoor. It's an AX3000. What does that mean? AX3000 means the combined speed that it should be able to do across the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz frequency, being around about 3000 megasecond. So what do you get in the box? There are a lot of items to go through in the box. You are going to get your little warranty guide there, if you can see that. You're going to get a software license document. You are going to get a document about the rest of TP-Link Armada, and you're going to get your quick started guide. So like I said, this is a TP-Link Armada product, so it is designed to be controlled and managed by the TP-Link controller. So this is either a hardware piece of equipment you put on your network, or you can install the software onto a computer and manage it from there. Then what else are you going to get in there? Because this is outdoor, you're going to get some zip ties to mount that on a pole if you want to. You are going to get a small packet there of screws and lugs. You're going to get a second packet of screws and lugs. One is to mount the PoE injector. So you are going to get a 48 volt PoE injector. So what's that? Well, you put mains in one side, your network connection, your Ethernet cable in the other, and out of this one comes PoE, power over Ethernet. The data and power mixed together, and that's going to run up to almost 100 meters of the length you can have out to your access point. All right, and that is where it's then going to be, and it means you don't need to have it near a power socket. You're also going to get a plate to clip that into place on the back there. So that's why you have one set of lugs and screws to allow you to clip that and mount that. This is not waterproof. This will need to be inside. You are then going to get a flat surface mount bracket. It's also, as you can see, you've got the screw holes there for you. The device itself, which we'll have a look at in a moment, will clamp down in place and be held in place. So that's what your other set of screws and lugs are for. You are going to get your power cord for your PoE injector. So there you can see we're in Australia. Maybe take that off. That's our power connector, and you're going to see your Mickey Mouse connector on there as well. And you're going to get a bag of covers. This is where you're going to pass your Ethernet cable through this and through the bungs in this to make it watertight. So this is a wireless 6 device. It can be mounted outside. This is the device itself. Not really much to show you on the front. On the back here is our holding bracket, which will work with our wall mount. As you can see, that can slip in place. You can also see that it's got a slight curve here, groove and some holes. We can use our cable ties here to pop that through and mount it and secure it on a pole. Then on the bottom, we have here our entry point for our Ethernet connection. So like we said, we're going to pass our Ethernet connection through our bungs and lugs there, all right, and then up into here. Let me just take a piece of Ethernet cable. I want to show you, if you're going to do this, please do make sure you have a drip loop. So if this is outside and this is your cable come through the wall, please do have it looking something like this. We are trying to create this loop at the bottom. Why? Because as moisture gathers on this, we want it to fall down onto the cable and drip off at the bottom. If we have this going uphill like this, we will have moisture run down it and potentially run into this connection. The bung and lugs will help cover that up, but if we put a drip loop in there, we will help protect it a little bit further. So that is the device itself. Hopefully that's been useful. This is the EAP650-Outdoor, a wireless 6 access point from TP-Link. Do head on over to our YouTube channel. We've got loads more box unopenings on wireless networking, firewalling, how to set up TP-Link Armada, how to create point-to-points. So why not subscribe and stay up to date?